In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to n8n. Connecting these two platforms enables you to automate processes and improve efficiency within your e-commerce operations, whether you're managing orders, updating products, or collecting data. Integrating Shopify with n8n can streamline your workflow significantly. To begin, please navigate to your n8n dashboard and locate the Workflows section. Upon clicking, you'll want to start by creating a new workflow. Once you've initiated the creation of your workflow, you'll see a plus button. Clicking on this will allow you to add steps to your workflow. Here, you'll want to add the Shopify node by searching for Shopify. When Shopify appears in the list, select the option labeled On Draft Orders Created. This choice will allow you to trigger automation when a draft order is created in your Shopify store. Next, you need to configure your Shopify credentials in n8n. Find and click on the Credentials option, then select Create New Credential. For this step, you'll need to gather certain details from your Shopify store to link it with n8n. Head over to your Shopify admin panel and click on Settings. From there, you should select Domains. Navigate to your subdomain and look for the View option to obtain your subdomain URL. Once you've copied this subdomain, return to n8n and paste it in where it asks for your shop subdomain. The following steps involve configuring your Shopify application. Under Settings, go to Apps and Sales Channels and then select Develop Apps. Here, you'll need to enable custom app development by clicking Allow Custom App Development. Once you've allowed this, proceed to create a new app by clicking on Create an App. Be prompted to provide an app name before you can begin configuring it. With your app created, you'll need to configure the Admin API scopes. Find and click on Configure Admin API scopes. Then be sure to check Read Orders and click Save. Repeat this for Read Products, ensuring both are saved. After configuring these scopes, the next step is to install the app. Once the app is installed, you can reveal and copy the access token for your app. Return to n8n and paste this token into the access token field. Back in Shopify, find and copy your API secret. You'll need to paste this into the API secret key field in n8n. Finally, ensure that all entered information is saved within your n8n workflow by clicking Save. With all these steps completed, your Shopify account should now be successfully integrated with n8n. This connection empowers you to automate and optimize your e-commerce processes more efficiently. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps you maximize the capabilities of your Shopify and n8n integration.